in this lab I just record the network and user devices that are connected on the local network in my at my home. Like this, I have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 devices. How you can see it in this table. And also next, I answered on this question. Network attached storage can provide extra local or backup storage and allow users to share their files in central location and so on. Also, second question, which type of connector is most used frequently in your network? If most of your devices are connected via internet cables, then you would be using wired connection more frequently. And last task is just draw diagram of my network. It's just similar with this diagram. I just have a laptop and a TV, also printer, and also PK. I just have a wireless router and modem for cable TV. Okay, first step is just verify the network access. Okay, let's verify that. It works. Next, I used ipconfig command to return some information. Okay, IPv4 address in my case equal this value, subnet mask equal to this value, and the whole gateway is equal to this value. Next, I used ipconfig all command, which returned some information. The layer server in my case equal to this value, MAC address equal to this value. Is the DHCP enabled? What is IP address of DHCP? It's equal to this, and lease expire equal is 24th of January. Okay, next part just I used ping command with and specify the loopback address and return successfully answered. And next step just I used ping command to my IP address. It also returns the successful answer. In this lab, firstly I navigate to command prompt and I entered this command to check the ping, and how you can see it available. Okay, next part I just trace a route to a remote server. For this purpose I used trace command to the domain. And result you can see this here. Okay, next I use a trace for one of these websites. The result you can see here. And the last task is just use whois tool to find the domain or IP address. Here I use this IP address from the result of tracing, and it returns this result, this answer. In this lab, configuring devices, first I created the devices. Here like PK0, PK first, and switch and server. Then I connect the devices using Cooper Straight rule between them, and also I configure IP address for server 0, PK, also PK1. I use static like here I assign this IP address. You can see it here. Also for PK0 P configuration. Also for server. And the next is just Wi-Fi connectivity. I use a command prompt to check use ping command. Here you can see I used it in the return successful answer. For PK0 same, and next I use basic. I did basic switch configuration. You can see it here. For example, I change host name, and also go to this page. In this task, I firstly add network devices to the workspace, like PK, laptop, also cable modem, wireless router, cloud internet, and our server. And also I changed the display names of the network devices by according to the addressing table, and add physical cabling between devices and the workspace. The PK will need a Cooper Straight through cable to connect a wireless router. The wireless router will need a Cooper crossover cable to connect to the cable modem. The cable modem will need a coaxial cable to connect to the internet cloud. And I also added Cooper Straight through between internet and server. And also I configured my PK and laptop.